Hey, what's up? So the new MSI laptop just got released, and it's not just a laptop, but it's a whole compact gaming PC in itself. The Titan GT77, the gaming laptop powered by the 16-core Intel CPU, is probably the most powerful laptop out there in the market. Let's take a quick look at the spec sheet. The maxed out version of this laptop comes with an RTX 3080 Ti GPU with a max TGP of 175 watt and a 16-core 12th gen Intel i9 12900HX CPU, which has got 8 performance and efficiency cores built in it. Thus, this laptop can actually go up to 250 watt CPU plus GPU total power consumption, which is a pretty great performance considering this is just basically a 23 thick laptop. Also, there are 4 DDR5 memory slots which support up to 120 gigs of RAM and 4 SSD slots with 3 PCIe Gen 4 slots and 1 PCIe Gen 5 slot, so it's a lot of storage. Coming on to the display, this laptop comes with a 17.3 inches 4K Ultra HD 120Hz IPS level display which has a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Although it's a 4K display, but they should have had other display options supporting high refresh rates, because after all, most gamers prefer high frame rates over 4K resolution, and 120Hz display doesn't make much sense if you don't use an external monitor for gaming. This laptop comes with a cherry mechanical keyboard with perky RGB lighting and RGB on the back of the laptop as well for those extra frames. The GT77 also features an SD card reader along with a number of ports placed on the sides of the laptop rather than the usual placement on the back side of the laptop. This arrangement was done probably to create some space for thermal vents on the back side. Moving on to the battery and thermals, this laptop comes with a big 100 watt-hour battery and has a robust cooling system with 4 fans and 6 exhaust vents to effectively cool down the massive 250 watts drawn by the powerful CPU plus GPU combo in this device. So overall, this laptop is no less than a high-end gaming PC and has almost every top-notch feature you can think of. Although it would have been great to have a 240Hz 1440p display option to cater to most people, and advanced Optimus support could have been a cherry on top, making it truly a next-gen experience. But it seems we'll have to wait for the 2022 Legion 7i for that. So if you are looking for a high-end desktop replacement, MSI's Titan GT77 is definitely worth checking out. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe for more such content. Thank you and see you in the next one.